This here is one of my favorite books. It's a classic. You can't go wrong if you buy one of Richard Schmidt's books. And look at all these bookmarks. I mean, I have got page after page after page with little post-it notes. It is an absolute must-have. If you ever come across one of these, I hope you can see it with the reflection, but this is a great book. I've referred back to this many times through the years. And I really wish, though, I would have spent the money on getting a hardback. This gets a little, you know, unruly sometimes when you're trying to hold it. But look at this. This is so pretty. He just does fantastic work. And I never have been able to have the chance to meet him yet, but I don't know if that'll ever happen. We'll see. But this is a fantastic book, like I said, to get, and it's well worth the money. It's not cheap, but it is well worth the money. But anyway, just wanted to let you know that if you come across one, grab it. They have them on Amazon, but once he passes away, he's well into his 80s. Once he passes away, I guarantee you these things are going to double in price. So get one while you can. And I think he has like a collector's edition out now. It was a hardback. I think it was probably $150 for that one. Anyway, I just thought you'd like to see this. See you next time.